Hi everyone, welcome back to QBO Tips. Do you use gift cards in your business? Do you have a third-party service that integrates those gift cards into your POS system? Hopefully you do. If not, you may be one of those businesses that try to track gift cards manually. If you fall into that camp, you're going to love this. Today, I'm going to show you how to track gift cards in QBO. Okay, it's a two-step process for getting yourself set up to track gift cards in QBO. The first thing we need is a liability account. Once we've got a liability account, then we can create a gift card item. We can actually make these both at the same time though. If I go to sales and go out to my products and services, I can create a new product and service, your new item. You can use either non-inventory or a service account. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I can do a gift card. I can give it a description that'll pop up automatically. Now my income account isn't actually an income account. We're going to create the liability account right here on the fly. We're going to have a gift card liability account. Gift card. And we can just click add here. If we had it, it would pop up, but it's not, so we can add it. It's going to be an other current liability and an other current liability. Save and close here. Make sure my sales tax category here is non-taxable. There's no tax on a gift card. We can save and close. And now we've both created our item and our liability account to track our gift card liability for the gift cards that we sell and redeem. Which brings me to selling your gift card and redeeming your gift card. First thing you got to do is you got to sell one. So you can do a sales receipt. You could do it on an invoice, but with a sales receipt, you don't have to go that extra step and receive the payment. It does it at the same time. And usually when you're selling a gift card, you're getting the money right away. So it saves you a step to just do a sales receipt. I'll say Amy's here. Got a $100 gift card. So we just use the gift card item, $100, that's what we got. And we have sold our gift card. Now we have to redeem our gift card. When you're redeeming a gift card, you start off like you would any other normal sales transaction, whether it be an invoice or a sales receipt. I'm just going to do a sales receipt. So I can go here to Amy, and I can say that she has some design services that we're doing. Okay, and once we know, we have our sales transaction all set up, we need to redeem the gift card. So that's when we do an extra line and we do the gift card item again. But we're going to put a negative amount there. So what that's going to do is essentially reverse that first sales transaction we had so that it's tracking everything correctly. And you'll notice that it takes off from the total on the sales transaction. So what you're telling your customer you owe is right. And if you give them a copy of the sales receipt or the invoice, it shows right there for them in the detail to show here's what it was, here's the redemption of the gift card, and here's what the balance due is. So everybody has all the information that they're going to want. So save and close. And the process is done. And repeat, repeat, repeat as you go on tracking your gift cards. One thing you may want to do is check on the balance of your gift card liability. How many have you sold? How much is out there to be redeemed? If you go over to reports and wait, apparently, I can go to my balance sheet at any given time. And if I scroll down, I have a gift card liability account on my balance sheet. It's another current liability. If I go in there, it will show me for whatever time period I need all of the gift card activity that I have, including a running balance of what my outstanding gift cards are. You can always do the group by name or customer. And if I had multiples sold here, it would subtotal those up by customer or by name. So I'd have a big list of a running balance of who has outstanding gift cards and how much each of their balances are. And at the bottom, obviously, it's going to be the total for that. You can also customize and filter it if you're looking for a specific name or a specific customer. And don't forget, you can always save the customization. So if I save my customization here, so I save the report. Oops, wrong button there. It didn't want me to share it because I'm the only person using this. Okay, now if I go back out to reports over here, in your custom reports tab, you see I have my gift card liability report, and I can run it as needed. Final thing here is if you take customer down payments or deposits on work that's going to be done, you can use a very similar procedure. It's almost exactly the same as this in order to track those customer deposits or customer down payments. I hope that helped you guys. Thanks for watching.